Draw. Draw a flower. Jump. Jump your heart out. Play. Play with blocks. Touch. Touch the fruit. Brush. Brush your teeth. Pray. Pray for good health. Smell. Smell the rose. See. See the airplane. Throw. Throw the bottle. Run. Run in the morning. Carry. Carry the bag. Cry. Please don't cry. Drink. Drink the milk. Hear. Hear the music. Kiss. Kiss goodbye. Read. Read the books.
Let's say our ABCs.
Sleep. Sleep in your room. Smile. Smile every day. Stand. Stand up straight. Write. Write in your notebook.